नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू. Question number 30 is who was Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani? Answer is a loyalist of British born in Qadian who made a false claim to prophecy at the behest of the British. Question number 31 is what was the claim of Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani? Answer is he claimed that I am the Prophet, I am the Mahdi, I am Messiah, I am the Mujaddid. Nauzu Billah. Question number 32 is on which date did Mirza claim prophethood? Answer is November 15th, 1901. Question number 31 is why is Mirza Qadiani and Qadianiyat called the self-cultivated plant of the British? And the answer is because the foundation of this fitna was laid by the British in order to destroy the spirit of jihad and love for the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam from the hearts of Muslims. Question number 34 is why did the British set up Mirza as a prophet? And the answer is in order to declare jihad as haram through Mirza and break the relationship of Muslims with our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Jazakumullahu khairan kathira.